So before we start this video, I just want to say one thing. I'm probably going to get PPE headers, but I'm trying to look for a used one because it costs a lot of money and I don't want to spend that. I don't want to spend that much of money on this car, but if I can find it used, I will suck it up and just buy it new. And if I get the headers, I will get it tuned for sure. And then next month I actually have an appointment to finally install the LSD on this car, and after that I'm done. I'm moving to another platform, and I will enjoy the car for a bit, and then maybe at the end of the year I will sell it, and whoever the next owner of this car, whoever buy the car, that guy or girl should be thankful, because it's not easy to find a 2 IS350 with LSD, limited slip diff. So the next owner is gonna be lucky. All right, guys, this is Joez catback exhaust versus invidia catback exhaust battle. Have a good day, good night, and I will see you guys on the next one.